that's gonna be us in a little bit, because today we're going kayaking literally inside of a cave. We got the fam, by the way. And so without further ado, let's get on the water. Okay. We got slammed. That was awesome. What? Where? Dolphin. Oh my god! Oh my god, the dolphin's still there, dude.
They have a rock and they got these little pouches.
Here we go. Oh my god. Well, okay, so, oh my god, dude. Yo, okay. All right, so
yes,
how was getting flipped?
It was awesome. I wish I'd had all my stuff closed, but you know, because I opened my cuffs and everything because I was getting hot.
Dang.
But now, and then, you know, it was just quite the adventure. I really had hoped to not dunk, but then I dunked and now I feel good and fresh and clean, and it's awesome.
Sweet. That one cave where you go in and then turn right and then have to turn around, my oar was getting all like scraped up and it was sketch. All right, so now we're taking a little break, and so get back to you in a bit.
And we're rotating, so we go, 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 go. Come on, Nano, keep going. Keep going, Nano. I didn't realize
Woo!
Very good.
All right.
Huh?
Shout yourself out.
Yo, at Elise Black Music. Oh.
Where?
Instagram, YouTube. Get us to 200 people.
Wait, Elise, come back here.
Can we?
It's a... Like, lucky. Okay. Okay, keep going right, left, right. Yo, they're so close. That was sick. Boom. All right. Thank you so much to Central Coast Kayaks for having us, and to Josh and Evan for being some dope tour guides. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.